Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinsEF, where we explore the world of rare coins, history, and all things numismatic. Today, we have an extraordinary story about a coin that is worth a jaw-dropping $1.9 million, the 1961 Franc Semeuse coin. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our coin treasures. Let's start with a bit of background. The 1 Franc Semeuse coin is one of the most iconic coins in French numismatics. First designed by engraver Oscar Rarity in 1897. The coin's design features a female figure known as the Semeuse, symbolizing sowing the seeds of liberty and progress. This iconic imagery has captured the hearts of collectors for over a century. The 1 franc coin had been produced in various versions since the late 19th century. The Semeuse design, however, was something that would set the coin apart from other French currency. Now, let's fast forward to the 1960s. In 1960, France issued a special version of the 1 Franc Semeuse coin that would become an absolute rarity. This coin was minted in a period of transition for the country, as France was moving from the old French franc to the new French currency system. The 1961 Franc Semeuse coin was made of a mix of copper, nickel, and a bit of silver, giving it a distinct look. But more importantly, it was minted in limited numbers, making it particularly rare. How did a 1961 franc coin end up being valued at a staggering $1.9 million? Well, the answer lies in a rare minting error. This particular coin features a major error, the double strike error, which occurred when the coin was struck twice during the minting process, creating a rare, almost misaligned design. This gave it an unusual appearance that set it apart from other 1961 franc coins. Coins with minting errors, especially ones as dramatic as this double strike, are highly sought after by collectors. These errors make the coin unique, and rarity drives up the price at $17. This specific 1961 Franc Semeuse coin with the double strike error went up for auction, and the results were shocking. Bidding started relatively low, but soon the rarity of this coin became evident. The price soared to a staggering $1.9 million. It was purchased by an anonymous collector, making it one of the highest priced 1 franc coins ever sold. You may be wondering, why are mint errors so highly valued? Well, it's simple. In the world of numismatics, errors create a certain charm. Mint errors are, by definition, unintentional, which makes them unique. And uniqueness is the key to rarity. A double strike, for instance, is a rare error where a coin is struck more than once during the minting process, creating an overprint or a misalignment. This causes the design to appear more complex and irregular, which collectors find fascinating. Now, let's move on to a crucial part of our video, how you can spot valuable coins like the 1961 Franc Semeuse. When evaluating a coin for potential value, the first thing you want to check is the condition. Coins that are in mint or near mint condition are more likely to fetch higher prices. But then, you also need to look for rarity factors like limited mintages or minting errors. The market for rare coins has grown immensely in recent years. But it's not just about the rarity. The story behind a coin, the design, and the historical significance play an enormous role in its value. Coins like the 1961 Franc Semeuse demonstrate that rare coins can sometimes surpass even their weight in gold. The $1.9 million sale is a prime example of how rarity, demand, and condition intersect to create extraordinary values. What does the future of coin collecting hold? With the rise of digital currencies and other forms of investment, will coin collecting continue to thrive? Absolutely. Despite technological advancements, coin collecting remains a timeless passion. As we've seen with the 1961 Franc Semeuse, the market for rare and valuable coins is alive and well. Who knows? The next coin in your collection could be worth millions. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether it's for investment or passion, keep collecting, and who knows what treasures you'll uncover next. See you in the next video.